In this video I will provide valuable information about the best bike stands, including their varying features, advantages. I conducted thorough research and compiled a list of recommended products from renowned brands, making it easier for you to make an informed decision. If you would like to find out more about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bikehand Pro Mechanic Bicycle Repair Rack Stand. This lightweight and versatile mountain bike repair stand is a great choice for anyone looking to perform maintenance on their bike. Made of durable aluminum alloy, it can withstand rigorous use without rusting or corroding. Once your bike is secured onto the stand, it provides excellent stability, allowing you to easily examine each component and perform maintenance tasks. The stand's bipod design makes it quick and easy to set up and take down, and it folds up neatly to save space when not in use. While the clamp itself is not adjustable, the arm can rotate to 180 degrees, providing ample space to work on the top and lower tubes of most bikes. The stand also comes with easy-to-use controls that allow you to adjust the bike's position as needed. One of the standout features of this repair stand is its handy tool tray, which keeps your tools organized and within reach while you work. Plus, it is priced affordably, making it a great value for anyone in need of a reliable bike stand. It's important to note that this stand may not be suitable for very heavy bikes, but overall, it offers excellent functionality, durability, and convenience, making it a great investment for mountain bike riders who want to perform maintenance tasks at home. Number 2. Delta Cycle Michelangelo 2-Bike Gravity Stand Storage Rack. If you're looking for a space-saving storage solution for your bikes, this 2-bike stand could be the perfect choice. By elevating your bikes, it allows for easy inspection, cleaning, and storage. The stand is sturdy and attractive, with a silver powder-coated finish. It can be assembled in just a few minutes with the included instructions and hardware. This stand is versatile and can support a maximum load of 80 pounds, enough for 2 large bikes. The rubber hooks securely hold your bikes in place without damaging them. It is also an excellent value for the money, as it is both sturdy and durable, promising to last for a long time. One of the standout features of this bike stand is its ability to lean against the wall, saving valuable floor space. It also offers the option to store your bikes in the top position for regular maintenance, or hang 2 bikes to save storage space. While this stand has many benefits, it's worth noting that the arms may not stay in place after you put the bike down. Overall, this 2-bike stand is a great investment for anyone looking for an affordable, space-saving storage solution that facilitates easy cleaning and maintenance of their bikes. Number 3. Feedback Sports Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand. This bike stand is a must-have for mountain bike enthusiasts who like to maintain their bikes at home. With its tripod design, it provides a solid foundation that can handle heavy and large bikes with ease, even on rough or uneven surfaces. Its adjustable height feature allows you to work in a comfortable position, while the spinner knob and clutch features make bike maintenance a breeze. This versatile bike stand can be used both indoors and outdoors, and its 360 degrees rotation feature allows easy access to every part of your bike, without having to move the stand around constantly. Once you're finished, it can be quickly folded up into a compact unit for easy storage or transportation. While some users have experienced issues with the clamp, this bike stand remains a reliable tool for all your home bike maintenance needs. Its stability, versatility, and user-friendly features make it a fantastic investment for anyone looking to keep their mountain bike in great condition. Overall, this bike stand is an excellent choice for anyone who takes pride in maintaining their bike at home. Number 4. Raker PPS2R 2-Bike Floor Bike Stand. The convenient bike stand is an ideal solution for families of avid mountain bikers struggling with bike storage. Made of sturdy steel, it can store 2 bikes at the same time, saving precious space in your garage or home. The epoxy finish ensures the paint on your bikes remains undamaged, and the stand is stable, easy to assemble, and fits most bikes. Although it is not suitable for extensive maintenance work, it allows for easy cleaning and inspection of your bike's various parts, without taking up valuable storage space. You can store your bikes in the same or opposite directions, depending on the space available. The stand is an excellent option for families who ride together and want to keep their garage or storage area clean and organized. Despite the slight difficulty of sliding the bike's wheels into the slots, the stand is still a durable, affordable, and space-saving option for any family of avid mountain bikers. Number 5. Yahida Pro Mechanic Bicycle Repair Workshop Stand. This bike stand is an excellent choice for beginners who are looking for a durable, stable, and versatile repair stand. With heavy-duty, foldable legs and a stabilizer for the front wheel and handlebar, this stand is suitable for heavier and bulkier bikes up to 66 pounds. The clamp is covered in plastic to prevent scratches to your bike's paint. The stand is adjustable in height, ranging from 42.5 to 74.8 inches, making it comfortable for both standing and sitting positions. The stand accommodates different tube sizes, and comes with a tool tray to keep all your tools within reach. The The 360-degree swivel head clamp allows you to examine your bike from every angle, and the quick release mechanism saves time and effort. Additionally, the stand is easy to set up. In summary, this affordable heavy-duty bike stand is an excellent choice for beginners looking for a versatile and comfortable way to maintain their bikes. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.